Hello everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to set up and use Xdebug in Magento 2. Set breakpoints, trace execution, and inspect variables, all inside VS Code. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Hey guys! In today's video, we will discuss about the very important topic Xdebug. So what is Xdebug? Xdebug is a PHP extension that provides debugging and profiling capabilities for developer to debug an application. Let's get started. First of all, for installing the Xdebug, we need to check the PHP version. For that, we need to write a command PHP. As you can see, I am using a PHP version of 8.4. So we will install Xdebug extension for this person. Let's install Xdebug. Now for installing the Xdebug, we have to write a command sudo apt install php 8.4 Xdebug. You can change the version of Xdebug according to your PHP version. I have already installed the Xdebug, that is why my system is showing 0 upgraded. Now, how we can check the Xdebug is installed or not? For that, we will run a command php -i and gripping the Xdebug. This will show you the directory path in which Xdebug has been installed. So, Xdebug has been installed. Now it's time for the configuration, as this file is responsible for the debug. Clearing the screen. Now access that file, which is responsible for the configuration. This file path is this, and we are using a nano editor. Enter. As you can see, here is the blank file. So we have to add the configuration here. xdebug.more. This will be the debug mode, and second setting is xdebug.ide key. So which ID we are using for the Xdebug, we need to assign here. We as school, we are using VS Code here. xdebug.port. We have to assign a port to the Xdebug, so we are assigning 9003. The last setting is xdebug.start with request. I am enabling this setting, and this setting is responsible for automatically run on each request. Save the file and get back to that terminal. So now we have to restart the Apache service. For that, we will write a command service apache restart. Now the service has been restarted. Now we will go for the configuration in our VS Code. Go to the extensions, search for the Xdebug. As you can see, I have already installed, and I assuming that you guys are already know how to install an extension in VS Code. After installing the extension, we will go for the file in which we want to debug. I have opened this file, and I am already created a demo module for Xdebug. Now we have to add some breakpoints here. You can add on line 17, on line 23, on a return part at line 25. Now we go for Xdebug and select option Listen for Xdebug. We will click on Play button, and this will listen the file for debugging. Now we go to the browser and open the instance. I have created a custom controller on which I want to debug. Reloading this page, and the Xdebug will listen this file. As you can see, the Xdebug highlighting the line at which we have added a checkpoint. You can see here the variables which is using before this line. We can move forward by this button, and this method has been called on this line, so the checkpoint is navigated to line number 23. As soon as I have forwarded, the value of variable has been changed. So that is how we can debug with the help of Xdebug. It's amazing to debug the code with the help of Xdebug. You can now debug and raise the complex logic without using var dump or die method. I hope you guys are really enjoy this tutorial. I will come back to you guys with more interesting topic. Till then, keep debugging. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.